Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best offerings from Skil, the PWR Core 40 Brushless 40 volts 530 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. This powerhouse of a tool is designed to make your yard maintenance effortless and efficient. The Skil PWR Core 40 blower stands out with its digital brushless motor, delivering robust power without the hassle of gas. It's equipped with a PWR Core 42.5 Ah lithium battery and an auto PWR jump charger, ensuring you're never out of juice for long. With a variable speed trigger and power boost feature, this blower adapts to your needs, whether you're clearing flower beds or handling larger areas like a pro. It's lightweight and ergonomic, offering excellent maneuverability rated highly by users. Enjoy longer runtime thanks to Skil's advanced battery technology, which extends operational time by 25% compared to conventional models. Plus, the auto PWR jump charger can revive your battery from 0 to 30% in just 15 minutes, keeping you productive. In conclusion, if you're looking for the ultimate cordless leaf blower that combines power, efficiency, and durability, the Skil PWR Core 40 is the clear winner. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional landscaper, this tool will exceed your expectations. Check it out on Amazon today and revolutionize how you maintain your outdoor spaces. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned for our next episode where we uncover more top-tier tools like this one from Skil. Happy blowing!